Not getting enough batches on Instacart. Here's how to fix that and start seeing more offers. First, make sure your shopper rating is high, so customers rate you after each order. So, in a higher rating pushes more batches your way. Stay polite, communicate well, and handle replacements smartly. Next, location matters. Park near busy stores, Costco, Target, or high traffic grocery chains. Being close to where batches are released gives you a better chance of seeing them first. Your phone also plays a role. Make sure you have a strong data connection, background app, refresh is on, and that your notifications are allowed. Lag or delays can cause you to miss batches, others scoop up fast. Also, start early mornings and Sundays are really, really hot, so batches tend to drop early in the day, and weekend brings in the highest volume and biggest tips. Finally, stay active in the app. Refresh regularly. Don't sit idle too long and avoid declining too many batches. It can lower your priority over time. If this helped, well, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's working for you. And like always, I'm always here for you with any questions or anything that might be doubting your concerns.